viewers, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Priyanka and you are watching Language Fluent. To register for the complete courses, please call on the number given below or fill out the form given in the description box. We also provide job-oriented courses for a duration of 2 years. Let's start. So in today's video, we will learn the days of the week, or we will learn the Wochentag. The Wochentag means the weekdays. The weekdays. Singular is der Wochentag, means the weekday. Der Wochentag, and plural is die Wochentage. So day of Deutsch is der Tag. Der Tag. And days will be die Tage. Die Tage. Then week is die Woche. Die Woche means the week. And plural is die Wochen, means the weeks. So article that will be used for days is der. Der. That means they are masculine. So let's start. First is Montag. Montag means Monday. Monday. Then Dienstag. Dienstag means Tuesday. Mittwoch means Wednesday. So Mittwoch means middle of the week. Mit means middle and Woch is for week. So Mittwoch. Then Montag comes from der Mond, means the moon. Montag. Then Dienstag. Mittwoch. Next is Donnerstag. Donnerstag is Thursday. Thursday. Then Freitag. Freitag is Friday. Friday. Then Samstag is Saturday. Samstag. Next is Sonntag. Sonntag is Sunday. Sunday. So Samstag und Sonntag zusammen sind die Wochenende. Sorry, das Wochenende means the weekend, and plural will be die Wochenende. Die Wochenende. So, noch einmal. Montag. Montag. Then Tuesday is Dienstag. Dienstag. Then Wednesday is Mittwoch. Mittwoch. Thursday is Donnerstag. Friday is Freitag. Saturday is Samstag. Then Sunday is Sonntag. Let's learn what is heute. Heute means today. Today. Heute means today. Then morgen. Morgen means tomorrow. Tomorrow. Then gestern. Gestern means yesterday. So morgen means tomorrow and morgen also means morning. But morgen, which is morning, is a noun. But morgen, which is tomorrow, is an adverb of time. So now we can make some simple sentences like heute ist Donnerstag, means today is Thursday. Heute ist Donnerstag. Today is Thursday. Oder morgen ist Freitag. Morgen ist Freitag. Means tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is Friday. Also, gestern war Sonntag. Gestern war Sonntag. Means yesterday was Sunday. So now we'll see the preposition which is used with days. That is am. Am means on. Like am Montag. Montag means on Monday. Like a sentence. Am Montag habe ich frei. Means on Monday I am free. On Monday I am free. Or we can make sentences like one. So one means when. When. So one gehen wir ins Kino means when are we going for the movie. So wann gehen wir ins Kino, and we can answer am Sonntag means on Sunday. On Sunday. Or we can also make sentence with these words like heute ist sehr kalt. Heute ist es sehr kalt. Means today it is very cold. Like we are talking about the weather. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's lecture. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bis bald.